Want to achieve radiant, glowing skin using just natural ingredients? Here's how. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY skincare with a simple yet effective citrus scrub. This homemade remedy will brighten your complexion and leave your skin feeling refreshed. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. 1 fresh lemon and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps to brighten skin and even out tone. Sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting new cell growth. Begin by slicing the lemon in half and squeezing the juice into a small bowl. Add the sugar and mix until you achieve a gritty consistency. Now for the fun part. Apply the mixture to your face in gentle circular motions, focusing on areas that need brightening. The sweet scent of citrus will invigorate your senses while the scrub works its magic. Leave it on for about 5 minutes to allow the ingredients to penetrate and nourish your skin. Rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. You'll immediately notice a smoother, more radiant complexion. This DIY citrus scrub is perfect for a weekly skincare routine. Give it a try and let your natural glow shine through. Subscribe for more natural beauty tips and make your skincare routine a breeze.